Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. And for today, I'm gonna be recreating this look of Blair Waldorf, aka Leighton Meester from Gossip Girl. Gossip Girl is one of my favorite series and Blair is one of my favorite characters. I know a lot of y'all are team Serena, but I'm team Queen Bee. The reason I like her is because I can totally relate to her. And if you like Blair more than Serena, comment down below and let me know, because at least I'll know that I'm not the only one. I've tried my best to recreate Blair's look today. So if you wanna know how to get Queen Bee's makeup look, then please stay tuned and keep on watching. Also, before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So what are you waiting for? Let's get right into the video. If you wanna recreate Blair's makeup, you need to focus more on your eyes and let the rest be simple and dewy. So to get a dewy base, I'm gonna use jojoba oil to nourish my skin and follow it up with a moisturizer. For my primer today, I'm gonna be using this Nivea Aftershave Balm as my primer and I'm gonna be applying it all over my face. I somehow feel that this gives me a dewy finish. Make sure you dampen your beauty blender. Blair has a really nice flawless skin, so I'm gonna use an orange color corrector to cover any sort of blue undertone. Also applying a tad bit on my eyelid. Now I'm gonna take a brush and I'm gonna blend it really well. Take your own sweet time to blend the corrector in as if you haven't applied anything. Yeah, sure, there is gonna be a little bit of orange tint, but we are gonna cover it later. For today, I'm gonna be using my Sephora foundation mixed with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Blair's makeup is pretty light and her skin is pretty pale, so I'm gonna mix both of these together. So I'm gonna mix both of these foundations and apply it on my face. Also, I'm using my beauty blend. Take your time with this and make sure you blend it really well. Now you can go ahead and conceal whatever you want to and then blend it really well with your beauty blender. And this is a normal concealer and not a highlighting concealer. Just thought I'll tell you all about it. Now I'm using the highlighting concealer and concealing all the areas I want to highlight. That is my eye area, and I'm also using a little bit on my lid because it's gonna act like an eyeshadow primer. Also, don't forget your high points. Blair has a round face, and to kind of get the shape of Blair's face, I'm gonna use my concealer on this area. I'm also gonna apply it on the corners of my mouth. Just to brighten up my face, I'm gonna use my highlighting concealer all the way down till my nose and draw a triangle. Make sure you blend in everything really well. I'm gonna bake under my eyes, and I'm also gonna bake all of my high points or the places wherever I've put concealer. Also guys, I realized that I'm creasing a lot near my laugh lines lately, so I'm just gonna set that really well in place. Now it's time to dust off our baking. Moving on to my eyes, I'm gonna be using this taupe shade from the palette as my transition shade. First, I'm just gonna apply this the regular way. Blair has deep set eyes and I have small eyes, so to kind of get that shape, I'm gonna take the product from my inner corner and get it towards my outer corner on the crease. Now I'm gonna take this light brown / latte shade and I'm gonna buff it on my crease, and I'm also gonna drag it a little bit in the shape of a wing in my outer corner. I'm gonna repeat the same thing using the chocolate brown shade from the palette. Also put the same thing in your inner corner and drag it towards your outer corner on the crease. I'm also gonna apply the same chocolate brown shade on my eyelid, but I'm leaving a little bit of space in the center of the eye to apply the shimmer. Now I'm gonna take the champagne shade from the palette and apply it on the center of my eye. I'm gonna touch up on the brown and the champagne a few more times. So the picture I followed did not show any traces or hints of black, but then when I saw another picture, I felt that she has a little bit of black on her eyelid. I mean, I couldn't really see clearly because in none of the pictures her eyes were closed. Decided to go in with a little bit of black. If you want, you can skip it as well. Bring all the browns and the black in your lower lash line as well. Blair doesn't really have any contour or bronzer going on, but she has like naturally sculpted cheekbones. So I'm going in with some slight contour. Now I'm gonna contour my nose. I'm gonna apply some blush on the apples of my cheeks and drag it in the shape of a C. I've gone for a really light orange shade. In the picture I followed, she didn't have too much blush on, but then later once I completed the look and I saw another picture, I saw that she went a little overboard with the blush on. So if you guys make your blush on more prominent, you guys can go ahead and do that. Now I'm just gonna highlight my face the same way she has done. And with that we are done with the face. Blair has used a nude eye pencil, but I didn't have one, so I'm just gonna use a silver eye pencil. You can also go ahead and use white if you wish. This is just gonna make your eyes look bigger. You can go ahead and wear light brown colored lenses, guys. This is really gonna take your look to another level. To make your eyes appear even bigger, tightline your eyes using black kohl. Now curl your lashes and apply a thick coat of mascara. Don't forget your lower lashes. I'm gonna use the same champagne shade I used earlier on my eyelid, on my inner corners and my brow bone. I'm lightly gonna fill in my brows with an angular brush and a dark brown. Comb your brows in an upward direction and shape them. Initially thought of going in with Maybelline Lip Gradation Mauve, but then I realized that she had something more pink tone. Then I went in with this pink shade by Bella Wostay. This wasn't really the exact shade, but it was kind of close. Then I went in with a pinkish sheer lip gloss from H&M, and this made a little bit of a difference. I'm just gonna spritz some setting spray and then blend everything one last time to make it look like one layer. I'm pretty sure I had a hairband very similar to what Blair was wearing, but I don't have it now and I don't wear hairbands anymore, so I'm just gonna use whatever I have. I'm just gonna do a quick DIY here and fix my clip to my hairband and wear it. I'm also gonna curl my hair off camera and get back. I'm not the best when it comes to curling your hair, but hello, I still did it in less than 10 minutes, so I think I do get a point here. So that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please let me know if you want me to do more such recreations. In my next video, I'm planning to recreate Serena van der Woodsen or Jenny Humphreys makeup. If you have any suggestions, you can leave it down in the comments below. So yeah, with that, it's a wrap. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, bye!
You know you love me. So